This is the pool. Oh, you might. I go clean your pool, okay? I wanna clean your pool, anak. Hello, Maricar, nakita mo? Kanina, 54K yung ano. Patamsak na lang sa ano pa. Not yet. Okay, I'll go clean the pool while you're playing. Not yet. I'll video you. Nakita mo na? Oo. Ang dami yun. Umabot ng 54K. Paano kaya yun, no? Umabot ng 54K yun kanina. I bought this one. Oh, you okay? Oh, astig nga eh. So, hopefully, at least yung mga live ni Jelana, maabot sa ganon. Oh, you okay? I'm looking for how to clean, wanna clean your, yung pala yung panglinis. Habang nagbabantay guys, maglinis tayo ng swimming pool. You're not okay? You trick me? Okay. Okay, let me clean the, so that you guys can go swimming. Ayan guys. Ayan. Marami kasing, open kasi siya sa ano, mga, ayan, para maalis ng, ayan. Ayan siya. Ay, marami, ano lang naman, mga dahon lang naman yan. Okay naman siya. You okay now? Pero mayroon siyang pang filter. Hello, Sydney. Ayan, filter. Para malinis. What happened? Are you done? You trick me? La, don't do that. You don't trick me. Jelana, don't do that. What if it's real? No one will believe you. Don't trick mommy, okay? Whoa. No. So should I clean out your I need to clean your swimming pool so you can go swimming tomorrow. Where you going? Jelana, where's your bike? Show mommy how you bike. I have not seen it. No, marunong na siya mag-bike, guys. I have not seen it yet. How old are you, Jelana? 5? Are you gonna play? Ayan, guys. Mga paru-paru. Parang sarap maligo, no? I'm coming. What you got? Oh, there's your, is that your mud cake? That's your mud cake. Yeah, that's your cake. Do you want to put your, let me put your hands first, your clothes. Come here. Yeah, but